glasses, so don't take your. Is this yours? No, this is mine. I'm just thinking. We don't have any alcohol. Probably should get the keys to the back again.
Now serving L 4170 station I-36. Now serving L 4176 at station 32.
I don't think they're allowed filming inside. You have to film on the outside.
You can film in here.
You sure?
Yeah, it's
Now
open to the public.
serving L 4177 at station
Hey, but if he said
29.
that's
Now
fine.
serving
You have to
S
step outside.
3372 at station.
Yeah, as long as it's
16.
open to the public, I can film in here in the public areas. I can't go into the employee only areas or anything like that. Butler, that thing's familiar.
Are you doing it for yourself or for someone else?
It's for my use.
For your use?
Yeah. While you're doing that, I want to get a sign of this picture here about the real ID.
Okay, no problem.
And I'm trying not to get any people in it. I'm not here to photograph people or anything like that.
Yes, that's What charges? Not this time, no. I was going to check with the DA came. Assistant? Yes, ma'am.
Now serving L 4149 at station 17.
Okay, then I'll
Time for a new phone.
Yeah, I got to do when I get a battery to switch it over. Switch to main. Hey, Sergeant, I got a question for you. Do you have a gentleman that's here inside the DPS office, and he was using his personal camera to record activity inside the office? Is that okay?
Now serving
What's the
L
policy?
4178 at station 17.
Okay.
Now serving L 4178 at station 17.
Okay. All right. Okay, no problem. What's your name, sir?
David.
Dennis Johnny Butler. You're free to film in here? I talked to my supervisor. I went to check because it's gone back and forth about that. That's a big issue right now.
Now
So,
serving S
video, and although this is a public place, I want to sure myself
3373 at
as to
station
what, for some people,
34.
because I've been at the hospital, I've been in different areas where people get really offended if you film them, you know, they get
Yeah.
upset. So keep the peace. You're more than welcome to
Yeah,
feel in the
I'm not
open area.
interested in bothering anybody. I'm trying, being very careful not to get anybody in here. Yeah, I don't want any problems.
Right.
So.
I mean, you can film here, but you know, it's real easy for someone.
Well, yeah, I mean, yeah, people got their kids in here and stuff.
Absolutely.
I'm not trying to do any of that.
I agree.
All right.
All right,
I
you be
appreciate it.
careful.
Yeah, and I'll be out of here in probably 5 minutes.
That's fine.
All right.
I gotta have, I just one out of all those, I didn't have every one of those. Yes, that's what she said.
Now serving S 3373 at station 34. At station 31. Now serving S 3375 at station 34.
I came over here, I told you to come over here, Chief Butler talked to you in the spring office, right?
Yeah, shall we?
And I told you to come
Chief
here,
Butler.
and I'm here, I'm gonna take care of it, okay?
Okay.
Okay, I got it.
You okay?
Yeah, see when I changed it was when I couldn't have the appropriate citizen documents, right, it's the star thing.
Okay, thank you. Okay, so you say now you're a U.S. citizen? We're gonna get your signature points on the x-ray, so that's okay whenever you're done. Or your certificate of naturalization. No, if you are a U.S. citizen, I need your certificate of naturalization for your passport. If you're now a U.S. citizen. No, we're gonna do reference, both of them, make sure they're straight. Okay, so they're gonna close this, you gotta hurry, if you come back in, you gotta be quick. Sir, you gotta be quick. Are you ready?
I'm gonna write a letter to the director and tell him to put her in charge of training everybody.
Yeah, because you can record your own stuff. You're not carrying a gimbal?
No. No, I mean, you can record any interactions with public officials.
Correct.
Talking about and everything, but.
You just can't record someone else's information.
No, absolutely not.
Now
You
serving
can record your
S
information, but you
Yeah, it's just, we don't want nobody else, you know.
Yeah, no, I got that, I got
someone
that.
else's.
I got that. But it's just like, I don't understand why the driver's license people are being,
The driver's
you know,
division.
it's just a video. It doesn't
But the thing is,
Yeah.
I encounter it all the time.
Yeah.
They don't.
I understand.
They don't know what to do.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But you know what I do, and even before I was on video a lot, because I'm on video a lot these days, but even before that, if you're videoing, I just make sure I'm on my best behavior and I don't say anything bad because I want my grandkids to be able to watch the video and not.
Number for a supervisor of the driver's license division, is that possible to use so I can talk to someone?
That's the driver's license division, that's up to them.
Oh, you are? Okay, my name is Justin Flynn, and I have
Are
had
you with him?
quite an ordeal getting my driver's license renewed this year. And I tried to call earlier this week, I don't even know how to get a hold of anyone. I was wondering, are you over just this office or this whole division, or how can I actually talk to someone in the driver's license office administration?
I'm a supervisor.
This office? Do you have a number for like maybe the Houston area outfit, or where are they officed? How would I contact them?
Contact who?
Your boss.
Just whoever is in charge of this area
Yeah.
of the driver's license office.
Aren't you
So
done
what
yet?
you carry that?
Camera?
Oh, just a camera?
Yeah, so this is
Okay.
just a regular camera for taking like just pictures. This is kind of like what you'd view it as a body camera, because it's a wide angle, gets just a wide view and good audio.
Okay.
You know, so it's just easier. I usually wear it on my chest, but in this instance, I didn't anticipate he'd have any trouble here, so I just grabbed one like this.
Yeah, so y'all went to the spring office first, right?
We were at the spring office. Yeah, he
Right.
was up there, and they wouldn't wait on him. So,
Right.
So
Yeah, the trooper called me. I'm come over here, so I'm glad y'all
True-
came over here.
what was the trooper's name?
Butler.
Butler. Yeah,
Yeah, he told me to call
he was
me.
up there. He called you about me
Yeah, he
taking
called you
pictures in the
about
lobby.
you.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. I've never had a problem at any driver's license bureau taking pictures.
Yeah, well, people don't want you to take their pictures nowadays. I mean,
You know, if I look around here, I'm betting there's cameras here somewhere. As a matter of fact, I see a
there's
whole
cameras
row
all
of them.
places, but they're not on that particular person. I mean, they had to have a camera because they work here, but you're not their supervisor. You're not their, you know.
Well, but they're public employees, and they're in the course of their official duties, and so the courts say, this comes straight from the Fifth Circuit, that we can document public officials in the course of their official duties.
Yeah, well,
You know,
I feel like it has to be the case if they need to be documented, but if they don't do nothing to that need to be documented, no type of attention, that's just like if I go out and stop a car just because I don't like the color of the car. I can't do that.
well, but okay,
You know,
so
that's the same thing.
didn't y'all have an arrest at that spring office here a while back where the guy wasn't videotaping? He was going to go out front and protest.
I don't know, but y'all could go out the door because they finna close up, right?
Okay, well, that's what I
All
was
right,
doing.
y'all might as well talk.
No, that's okay. That's okay.
You know,
I've already got the body cam footage, so I know.
all right, have a good day.